kosi ya Electrical and Electronics Engineering, ase kosi ya Agriculture and Environment Studies, ase kosi ya Applied Science Department, ntubwate Science Laboratory Technician level 5 na level 6, ase kosi ya Computing and Informatics Department, ntubwate kosi ya ICT Technician level 5 na level 6. Igitumela ase nsemo ya Community and Online Working. Imiheskuru yigaya keti igotubwate a modern library iyubwate bintu byonsi ibiraga nibigotumika ari nayo. Kubundisa tule kosi ya Version Design ase tubwate chimashini chekerero. Nkwegeli abale boigo Business Studies na Entrepreneurship. Nkwegeli bale Food Production yani cookery na boigo Food and Beverage Production. Ase chinsamu cha Cosmetology nigoto kwegeli ya Beauty Therapy nyuranga. Ase Beauty Therapy nigo okwenyorera ubumanyi wekerero unabono ya dressing, pedicure, manicure egati ubumanyi bonde obunge. Boigonto bwate kosi ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering ajirira moletu mwanu ainyorere ubumanyi obwiga nabono nigo intake y'umutinyo September nigo egendrete ajirira eskure yigani yere kilomita ya munene skuru asomo chokeroka na wogwaka esimu witrasa chinamba 0726 588558 gose 0708330000 asigo ayirena kwenyorera obumanye iri wibekiri bagari rya asensiga yo kwerwanirira.
Tariki ni 11 ya gatano gatatu mwaka no yowe chirugere 25 no yo mu mwanchumo ligereri de no kwegena mbiyore andonsia sole na ukwanire na bwego kwaligane kanyora mungana mayaye kyunga chinsenye cyabo no butiko eliterane saira si nyakundi nyorobona na mange na kwaliganire na go sabire tuzkare. Karibu mwanchumo ligeri yango chakikyunga chinsenye nigo tuko chaka chisegi chaba chikwenekiwa sensemo ya Transmara he county ya Narok lichikuli ya Chumosi ekyo chireta makweli yomonto yomo igabande gotigerwa chingoma chimbe chiensara itkurira lero nigo bulendi bwatingibwa kubwatikanamo n'abanyonyimbo ukorwa higoro abagendete gokora umusako munene wokoleto murembe enseme yumurikitu Wycliffe Tyson Manyara na robot rwasinjira yowikira
Lekisegi chia amaremo boigo chimbebe ejo chiko bachigo tubuka asichingaki na inde chasira asensemo ya Transmara county ya Narok una bakweresa bali nyagitari kobwenigwa wetera chingoma banyora kuro asichisegi echo chabali tukulia Jumamosi ensemeyo
saa 11 saa 12 wakafika kwa mabomu wakaanza kuchokora mabomu vijana wakatoka wakaenda ni kuuliza nini mbaya wakaanza vita namna hiyo watu wakapigana serikali ikakuja ikagawa hao. Lakini sana kitu ile inafanya hapo inaleta shida, kuna hii barabara iliwekwa hii Natembea Road. Hiyo Natembea Road imewekwa vibaya. Kuna mahali inafaa boundary inafaa kuwepo, lakini hiyo barabara ndio imeleta shida sana.
Na mahali boundary hiyo nini piko niko, hata wazee wanajua, hata serikali inajua mahali hiyo piko niko. Sasa hiyo shamba ikifuatiliwa na hiyo mapigwa, vita itapigana.
Sasa ni ile tu serikali inafika wanapewa pesa wanarudi wanasema ngoja hiyo maneno tutashughulikia watu wanapoa naambiwa weka silaha chini hiyo maneno tunafuatilia inaenda inakaa namna hiyo wale watu walisema wekeni silaha chini wanaenda wanapotea hivyo maana wamekula wamepewa pesa
huko ndio nyumbani na hao jamaa walikuja hivyo tu ilikuwa siku ya Ijumaa usiku wakapiga nduru siku yote mpaka ikafika saa 9. Ilipofika saa 9 wajamaa wakakuja wakafungulia ng'ombe.
Kwa majina mimi naitwa Kiramati Shoranga. Hapa tumeteseka sana. Tumeteseka na sijui ya wanangangania nini. Barabara alishatolewa na tembea na tunashangaa
na watu naangamika kwa ajili ya wasiri wanateremkia sisi kila siku, wanaumiza watoto wetu kila siku, ni mazishi sababu ya watoto.
Niko abanyanyimbo bense meyo baumerana kuruberia buna barayenderere kuruberia kuirania omurembe asayo.
Tumejumuika hapa tukiwa security committee ya the two sub counties, that is Transmara West na Transmara South. Ni kwa vile kwa siku chache ambazo zimepita tumekuwa na misukosuko kwa hii cutline yetu, mpaka yetu ya Enoretet na Nikararo, ambapo the two sub counties zinakutana. Vijana wamekuwa wanavamiana, ndio sababu tulikuwa tumekutana tuweke mikakati tuhakikisha kwamba vijana waendelee kupigana. Hiyo ndio ilikuwa lengo yetu kukutana siku ya leo.
Kuripoti Gatembe, Wycliffe Tyson.
Asetaro ya banasiasa koruagusi au balense yikiama gia Jubilee bakorawa na Kribogora Wilkins Michira morera kebase gati abarayibande nsemo nigobekera na semo ya Nyaguko ime yabo baseke ya Kisi asetaro yo igo baerera buno igoro yo koendera ko mubwatese Dr. Fred Matiang'i asiganga yo kuligekera ukibura ibense ase kichinkwana chabo nigo batukuterale chinkwana chabarayete buna gusini yebwato mubaromoke wechikura na komenta buna rongo ruagusi ndole numubaro oisai numulikiro diponi asanya na roboti rwa senchira yobwikira
gukwana ime yabo basi asigikaro nabamenyi kurwa chinsemo ao erombe yeiga yabarayi nigo besokirie anene asugukwanira eganga nene yoguchikumusira Dr. Fredo Kengo Matiang'i asiganga yae yokuligia oborayi bwense asobochoria bonene buri bosio na muno igoro yomubaro kurwa sorogongoro igarwa gusi.
Sisi ni team inaitwa Team Matiang'i 001. Tumekuja hapa Bobasi, ndio station yetu ya kwanza. Tumeanza hii mkutano, tutatembea Kisii mzima, Nyamira mzima, tukijaribu kuambia watu wetu kwamba tunatosha. Ndoiza inie ege ntogyoka gekete gusi nobolemo kali chikura eke robolemo bwakete gusi abagusi bakaenda kuligia amaremo isko ya gusi abagusi bale Trans Nzoia Kitale ebara bange kubwa bale Bobasi abagusi bale Nakuru ebara bange kubwa bale Nyamira asenge ncho yobolemo chikura chomo gusi kanyengima is 3 million. Igo Matiang'i kakoenda kokwanere bisa kubinde tayari sisi tutampatia kura milioni ngapi?
Chingaki echecho nigo bamenta buna Matiang'i chingaki alenge asobokoreri bwaye no waziri nigo aikaranetie emiroberio emenge na gukinia amagendero y'eki sector ao egento bateba inga aise konyoreri bagali okonyora oburayi bwense nigo arakorebuye muno asobokoreri bwaye.
Sema mimi mpigaji kura wa Bobasi na hapa ya kwamba nitampigia Daktari Matiang'i kura zetu zote. Mungu nisaidie.
Kinaringe kwa sabasa kwa makobe. Kero tinga kitiri chigo ika. Toa kere Matiang'i chikura.
Kuranga serikali ya William Ruto bangira.
Asensemo yende nigo bakwanira siasa che county ya Kisii asebateba nebiro bano byekire abarayi bali bakobekwasi cyabisi kuligererwa koba abamagenderero
Igagusi kwaletro bonyiro bonene. We do not need goons for us to be leaders. We do not need goons. We do not need to shed blood for us to be leaders. And you go kwa Mauricia. Na tonyire edinde wonyigwe naina moigwa motege baraba mino tato mino na kero moto ituko limewoja koimoka kogendege tuo waka chikura akira abantu bamanyetega asiyabo buno mochukuru toleamo ega asiyenero ya asinyira barai nakigora alitoko tebera wanta na omole wanta
kurega asebunge ya Bobasi county ya Kisii ne ngongoro kwa Dipon asanya
Muliki butambase wizara ya chisemi inse ya Basic Education John Olelukuta ligo nekiribune serikali nigere tayari kubwaterana nabo bwatani ligotinya sekta iyo okwano mubasolero ase skulu ya sekondari ya Machitago ase bunge ya Nyaribari Masabe kaunti ya Kisii ole lutwa nigo chinga kicho akwanirukani gukubwatoka amaigerio asaboroki gwetera ase chinchira chekerero kurengana n'ekiciro ekichigasi muri kiso Daniel Ntiri norobotirwa sinchira yowekira
gukwana chinga kichokora okwigorwa kwebirasi biya ase skuru iga imiye kaunti ya Kisii ololtwa nigo chinga kicho aene kirimukia wa serikali ase sekta yichisemi.
Mimi kama PS kwa basic education, mimi pia nitatembea na nyinyi ili mambo ya elimu isidi kupanda juu, isidi kuendelea vizuri. Ombi langu tu ni moja, ya kwamba tushikane pamoja, amani ikwe katika mashule yetu, tabia nzuri ikwe katika mashule zetu.
Na barai au gati abo mujumbe wensi miga musike Dr. Daniel Manduku musike Zairi Janda kurase bunge ya Nyaribari chache MCO Machore we kaunti ya Kisii musike Dolphin Bwari gati ya bande ololtua nigo chinga kecho boigo akwaniro muroberio muya bokoenekia masomo asichinchira chekerero aikirasi skuru wetania chimisato asirongorwa gusi ubolie bono kubwaterana ilioko yuikirania.
Na tuko na digital literacy program ambayo tutakuwa na digital devices ambayo tutakuwa na digital boards pamoja na tablets na shule 332 katika eneo hili la Kisii zitafaidika.
Asesemo ya siasa okubolia ni kukwabekwa okugendera kuwatesia serikali ya Kenya Kwanza waigo siasa chi kaunti ya Kisii.
And I want to send a message to my brother Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Wewe ni mtoto wetu. Wewe ni ndugu yetu. You are our brother. You are one of us. We want you uje na hawa viongozi wengine wa Kisii tumunge Rais William Ruto mkono ili tusonge mbele.
Nche ekeronko liene ekerokyo bo women representative 2027 konganjera moto chama kolime Mheshimiwa Manduku egase gwakorire ningia ebirasi ebiga gwatoroseire na ndege ntungu gwa kirambu ya mono ebara nire konyoreto chandete rukeroka bakaibacho nyabegetwe bono nerami yokutugutarira gakigotari muya
Nkrubatirigata seni kiagatembe kuriga hema Chitago ewodi ya Ichuni meye bunge ya Nyaribari Masabe kaunti ya Kisii literane nguruko Daniel Ntiri
ama tukamake magega yomuga kajeremia Nyaribo mboga hoibo igo kabeiro murari bigetaseni keredio gya FOK yo kolete mirimo yo barari wetani miaka 20 wesokya na gukwanira bokongu abone no bobo musangerete asenka yaye igoro ya moroira anena mwana yebwe miaka 43 sedi za susanike muntu Nyaribo oyo beira segetanda asigeka kiemiaka 3 bono ige mambia lero anyoro gusirwa korwa sabaga kabwanya mwanya getinga Heritage Council wa mutarera asenka yaye ukwana chinga kichetare yabaga kaboni go bali ira chinga kecho na kubwato ko kuboli go cyase serikali ubekemero biri mitingo yo kubalenda abagatu anana muno chinga kecho borwaire abego basabira serikali kubalenda abarali nonyenekero bakolire emirimo yabo yokorali
Mbiamana sana so ntarera Nchema yetane nkuru kwa Jeremy Nyaribo mboga na kabairu murario na bibo wese ku Kenya gakorera na KBC na were nkane miaka 21 akara wakaibwe ngana yane ngana mbwate mono numwano ndwarete mungina nere tari tegwetu ya mono lakini monege ntugenje cyane tino mwana uyu
Njamaria da yonkoro ku Elizabeth kwambuka Nyaribo. Jeremia Nyaribo nero mugakone. Twamenyere nere 41 years. Gente kanene mono kiango kirie ekero narorire umuraria utina bagaka wa mwanya getinge. Mugako Nyaribo kera aritajete na be eriganeti. No muntu ritajire. Agaja ne bifa bionsi bi. Ekera murwira aswa. 2024 nyaruka yane yabwatike barua ari Nairobi. Iga ko gende ke barua iga ko rapseti agagwa iga bande bairite ngwairire akarendwa gocha Busungu.
Asa mariete yankoro kwa George Nyakundi umunyagitumbe umunyagitingi Heritage Council. Dero no tole kenyoroga kia Rio Chanda asomochi bwa lisense Jeremy Nyaribo Mboga asitwacha kubwatekana na mang'ana twanyorete kurwa chinyomba chia bararia gatebana yaya abantu bari amasense tokoroka national heroes mbamenye tibia mbatigire ng'enjogete na hende twansire kubeba guchia
nche no tenyogendi omugako oyo Nyaribo wangu mubekera ko bieye nerogerete ndekinde kurwa KPC Kisumu eyari kurugufio K igo mwaka Nyaribo nakorete mirimo emiya gocha sende mokonye na kurigereria abantu abagotu buno yo igabono na abandi bagakarenga batararorekana n'umunginoye abantu baroserigwe omurubiri bakobweni gubosa bakanyirita amatuko inaseme ndangani ensemo yakabere barigererigwa inki bako na konyora asichinga kijibore na bamoyo netuka mbali na abachikururia abuka mbakonyara kubalinda na barumba takiri banyore kire kyabo gisini nige ko nakubakonya kabale na bamoyo asubi kubwensi na inu abara inyombe icyoburaria na inu moje mokate mambi moro sio muruberio bwogoja kurierera ni mambia buna bona Nyaribo twagire kamororaga inu muruberio rengoranga bona gamenyeza sinjirerenge
Engineer Tom Obare Oire. I also request the print media abangwana bali tayire from journalism broadcasters serikali barigererie ebakonya because abangwana bakorete serikali gashingia mono that they need not to be ignored.
Mohora ibenso moske William Ruto nigene kiribuna nigara chikobwa asobocholo bonene bole bosibo mwaka wechirwe 2025 aseboigo hayalire yo kwene kibuna nachwikirani amaganio ya wananchi ukwana sense moyo Naivasha county ya Nakuru kinga kichege karogi kiama kia UD hamwe na ODM murabense niga mukira baribo kwa mrele serikali asa teruna tibabwati achenda ende yonsi ya magenda.
We have liberated those Kenyans from CRBs and brought them back using the Hustler Fund into the economic sphere. We have lent 90 billion shillings, have 7 million active Kenyans borrowing from the Hustler Fund. Storage, trading spaces, water, electricity, sanitation, and with a lot of confidence, our traders will be moving into these markets as we have already started the completion of many of them. Today, Mama Mboga and Boda Guy can access SHA, a product that was way beyond them. They too can participate because today SHA has the opportunity to include every Kenyan. Today, the Boda Guy and the Mama Mboga lady can also afford a decent, affordable social house in Kenya. Some of them already are occupants of our social housing in some of the developments that are now complete. 123,000 young Kenyans have received a boost of 50,000 each one of them to promote their businesses using the Nyota program. Universal health, spoken about by Article 43 of the Constitution of Kenya, today is a reality to 32 million Kenyans that we have registered. And it's not just the number of Kenyans we have registered. It is what the number of citizens that have been treated. We must win. By God's grace, by God's grace, we must win the next election. The alternative is difficult to fathom. A group of people who have no plan, no agenda, no policy, no vision is too dangerous for
Omukonyi bw'omuraibese Profesa Kithure Kindiki ni gatogiria serikali ya awamu ya broad-based asatairwe bunani gagendete gwikirania magendero ase chinsemo chionsi wonchiriria kunde wensi buteyo. Kindiki ni gatairwe no kubwatirana na gukora irere ensi ya Kenya gusuka mutwe asa magendero.
Teamwork makes work light and makes efficiency better. Kwa hivyo nimeshukuru sana, na leo ni siku ya kuzungumza, ya kuelewana na kuona mahali tumefika na vile tunaendelea tukisonga mbele. Hii broad-based, Mheshimiwa Rais, imetusaidia sana, imeturahisishia kazi ya siasa na hata kazi ya kukusaidia kuendesha serikali ambayo unaongoza. Kwa hivyo I think I'll be in order. Na leo ni siku ya kuzungumza, ya kuelewana na kuona mahali tumefika na vile tunaendelea tukisonga mbele.
So roboti rumonchumu kiliata nyoro moti mokomo ketu kwa irana antogande ni kiungasi nchira yobo ikira.
Eduka ya Uhuru Superstores iri gutoke meyo mu cyobusongo nkonya bale ebintu buna bono mbabwate esukari kurwa City Company ao obusi bw'ingano amabuta y'ikinyoni kurwa City Company ao amajani kurwa City Company ya Keteba echumbi ya Kensalt egati bintu binde binge wigo nkonya bale chirangiche company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwa City Company ya MRM aywale ayechi size ao nabego ni chirangi ao nkonya bale black sheets egati bintu binde binge inyura nka mbabwa tobokoreri obu yabuna bono uyebo bosombi gose transportation mbabwa tobokoreri wa forklift asibego bokoreri wa which customer care buri obu ibirengo bigoro totigara magega agirira rero bwikumburira ibintu biga asiri guriria mubuko asamange totalere asinsemo cha Uhuru Complex eyuerange na magacho Safaricom wigo no tukutuka sakro ku JM Towers ange na Credit Bank ime yomucho bosongo bakere simgwe transit number chabo 0111 161 500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Nyota Dry Cleaners ndigo bagusibya balingana kubase cyanga cyao wikirano ngusibya bale ekisuti kigown kiduve kikate
Karibu na indo mwanchomo ligeria. Muraibi kiama kia ODM Oburu Odinga nigo hatogirio koroswa kwebya mibinge aigemeyense asateruna inerenchirenye yokwane kibunensi ya Kenya ngusukiri mutwe kidemokrasia. Ukona chingeki aikirana segikaro kia ODM na UDA Naivasha. Oburu niga teruna ebya mebyo nigo bigenete wesokya na kurwanira bachori bonene bumwakogocha.
Your Excellency, those issues are serious issues. We struggled for this country to become independent from the colonial power. But Your Excellency, after independence was when multi-party was abandoned and our country became a one-party state. And that the whole world was not going single party, because single party was leading to dictatorship. It was not allowing proper democracy to prevail in the country. So people fought and sacrificed, and there are Kenyans who lost their lives in the struggle to change this country and remove that oppressive law making Kenya a one-party state. Your Excellency, after the one-party state we became a multi-party democracy. Many parties were registered. Some of them are briefcase parties, which only appear during elections. They come and they are folded. And our party, ODM, has been in existence for the last 20 years. This is the longest. Your Excellency, we moved on when we joined this broad-based government. And as you know, before we joined the broad-based government, we were together in a handshake. Uhuru Kenyatta. President Uhuru Kenyatta did not give ODM even a single minister, even a single permanent secretary. And we must urge that let us be straightforward. If you have any issue that you want to raise, please raise it honestly, but don't be a fence-sitter.
Omo gavana we kaunti ya Nakuru Susan Kiika nigo hago kairo ko bwaterana we kiama kia ODM omo na UDA bosibochole bonene bo mwakogucha. Okana sensemo ya Naivasha he kaunti ya Nakuru ikaniga terune bya mebyo nigo barachikone kibuno mura ibenso moske wena mruto kudana roborai asentunda yaka.
URP and TNA. And you know, after that, we got into government. In these last concluded elections, Your Excellency, our group, then called Tanga Tanga, we were always here in Naivasha trying to come together, bring our people together, and make sure that we formed the government. And alas, we did. Here we are now today. I believe it's the beginning of something great. It's the coming together of the broad-based coalition will become increasingly demanding as we approach next year's elections. And elections are an important part of our democracy, but they must never become a source of division that undermines the progress we have made as a country. Your Excellency, let us speak openly about the opportunities before us, the challenges we face, and the concerns of the people we represent. Let us listen to one another, challenge ideas, Your Excellency, respectfully, and most importantly, emerge with a clearer sense of purpose and a renewed commitment to serving Kenyans. Your Excellency, the President, distinguished leaders, Nakuru is honored to host you.
Aba gwatani bekyombe kya linda mwananchi koru asorongoro wa Westani nigo besokire na kuruko boliwo kya serikali kwene kibuna kubwatira na balene byombe byobolende asokone kibuna kubeka barobolende baisene chinga kibakoletaro sekinsemo aigeme yensi ya Kenya ukwana chinga kicho ni gobai gobai nekire na ni gobara chikogendera ni chitaro chabo ase babolira abana inchi kubabwatesi aso kweneke unamba chikoleta munchereri burayi aso bachori ibole bosio.
We want the IG to ensure that peace is everywhere in this country. There is no part of this country that's not governable. So Linda Mwananchi is going to Homa Bay. We've had a lot of issues coming up. An elected leader saying that if he sees you with a t-shirt of Linda Mwananchi, will deal with you and destroy that t-shirt and deal with you properly. That person belongs to the jail.
Nilisikia marafiki wakisema coalitions, sijui kwenda Azimio, kwenda nini. As Linda Mwananchi, we are not doing any coalition now. We are running our affairs as Linda Mwananchi. Maneno ya coalition ni next year. And we want to agree with Rigathi Gachagua. Watu waende field wafanye kazi. Sisi hatuna time.
And we are giving you only today and tomorrow to release for us our name Linda Mwananchi, or else we shall call the Wananchi themselves, those Linda Mwananchi, the Wananchi, to come and demand their name. That is our name. You cannot backdate a later to 2024. By 2024 there was nothing like Mwananchi, Linda Mwananchi.
Ebimbe ni go bigendete wesokyana kurukubuli gochase kyombe kyo bachorine chimbibe IBC kweneke buno kubwaterana kerene byombe bya idara yobolende asokweneke buno bachori bo mwako gocha nikobora chikoba obwo boteruru na sakasagende yonsi teli gocha kwenekiwa kukwana chinga kichwe byombe byo ni go bya rukubuli gocha saba nanchi kweneke buno ngo chibale wesokya sobunge na kweneke buno ngo akabale chikura asogo charabara ya ubarachi goikirani amagani yao.
To introduce digital filing, standardize evidence formats, and clarify which institution handles which disputes before nominations open. 8th is on inclusive representation. We urge the IEBC, Parliament, the National Gender and Equality Commission, and the National Council of People with Disability to remove the administrative barriers that continue to lock out women, youth, persons with disabilities, and minorities from candidate registration and party lists by the 4th quarter of 2026. 9th is on the enforcement of electoral offences. We call upon IEBC, the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, and the Judiciary to fast-track the investigation and prosecution of voter bribery, intimidation, and other campaign malpractices with immediate effect and strengthen capacity by the 4th quarter of 2026. And last, on digital campaigning and electoral misinformation, disinformation. We urge Parliament, IEBC, the Communications Authority, and the Office of Data Protection, of the Data Protection Commissioner, to put in place legal safeguards against harmful digital political advertising and AI-generated content, and to create rapid correction mechanisms for electoral misinformation and disinformation ahead of the 2027 campaign period. This must be done while preserving the democratic right of Kenyans to engage on the digital space. Now, in conclusion, we have said that considering the precedent set in the management of elections in the region, it is incumbent upon Kenyans and the relevant institutions to protect and promote the right of every Kenyan to a credible, peaceful, free and fair election. The Uchaguzi platform is closely monitoring developments.
Na go ikiraga bo mancho mo ligere no go ikira mo yali wa mangano maya ye kyunga chinsenye chiabo no botkele terana isara sekunde yana kichibi chana mo go chira senchira yo bo ikira no ni garenge DJ atse na go sabiro twaro bo ligere na go botko
Baraka ninjo, ninjo remember, ninjo dorome, mangana man, bangina ninjo.
Nemkwane yebolero, tienes mubasi. Mubasi n'abantu ababasi banyure negusiyengima pero kenda basubati masawatu chichiza mu cyagusi bali bonse monte kare tubone nkware tigere ko rubasi ogesaka matarema inyaine kase mere tiere ke nkurongo inaki ogesaka matarema inyaine kase mereti nyene ke nkurongo abageza kabari mundigerere n'abantabaya n'abantu mwe tuno mukwerenda mukuka chebindeli kakyobo komu muja konyora ngambi amuri inwa mangana ino na ya ino na mwe tuno mokole bintu bino biyayigo ogesaka ko bako gamba mangana ona bako yagamba biyayigo pamanyerera tubo kabancha inabanyene bara una bamaite nomura gambe na bara mwa kekera kumbetara ali yawa yo kolere gazi ayabona ro ogesaka matalema nyene kase mereti nyene ke nkurongo chinkurongo njya kabera okale ntobwati kiriya bazongo barikoroka kevuze tuba chinkurongo chinyingi ndi china chitokoroka chibuli ebuli yabagesakali ogesaka nole kale kwa chiaga tembo ose chiata mbu chiasa keteiga uchiali meroge sakali enkurongo yaineke no chirora o chirora
Pagaka ninjo, ninjo etembe, ninjo dorome, mangana man, pangina ninjo.
Gitebe Technical Training Institute nigo ikurwa amegeri jechikosi ao bunabono building and construction kusobwagachi abwaseba kwegeria ubwagachi bw'ekinyumba naboigo ebiwanda ao kurobare ekose ya version design garment na dressmaking guse obusoni bw'ekiyanga n'ebintu ao abo ase bari na mbeyemo asugutwara machine ichekerero nebindebinge nkwegeli bare amangana a beauty and hairdressing aigon kwegeli bare igorya pedicure manicure barbering braiding plating na yande amange ICT aigano institute ye ebwata computer nebintu ebinge by'okwegeli ICT gwetania skuru ndeyonse era sorgongoroiga
asamali tankuru kwa Alpato Maliba mwalimu manne Ogetwebe Technical Training Institute serikali yakolire bya sana asogotwa institution yegocha saya asengencho etagete komenta ochusi ase abana bali bakole skuru ase isemi cyobufundi nabo boliri moleta abana wache skuru elinde banyore system cyobufundi byamo
boigon kwegeria bare electrical engineering power option boigon neroro asaba kwegeria igorye chinguru cyomorero bwestima na kubeka chinguru echo ase emeche nechi company ao secretarial na plumbing katiye chindi chinyingi munabono social work human resource management na nigo bakora chikosi echi ase ebiringo bya arts and short courses certificate na diploma nigo ebwate aborokia babwate obumanyi bebirengo bikromono mbayitirine wizarega megeria yega nabo ondebwensi akwegerigwa inchobono utari kubwate kegori utari kubwate numumurore usino mweseke Gitwebe Technical Training Institute nikikotoka kilomita eyemoyoka krosomochi omogwawa asepare nene yilami yakoroikonge kogenda chebera
Samari Tanguru Kenyara Wilfred Amara Chester School yo bundi ya Gitwebe